In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your shipping confirmation emails with DSers so that your customers will automatically receive their tracking numbers as soon as their orders go out. This will save you so much time with customer service emails, and it's super easy to set up. If you're new here, my name's Alex. I cover all things ecom on this channel, so remember to leave a like, subscribe for more, and with that being said, let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're on the homepage of DSers right here. This is what you see when you first log in. So if you look on the lower left-hand corner, you guys will see the settings tab. Go ahead and click on that, and then from there, on this left little panel right here, you guys will see shipping confirmation, the third from the bottom. So go ahead and click shipping confirmation. Click the store that you're setting this up for. Go ahead and turn that on so that they will automatically be sent out. And then there's a couple settings right here that you guys just need to mess with depending on your own stores, your suppliers, whatever situation you're in. So whatever shipping carrier that you guys use, go ahead and select that. I'm just going to click default. And then the tracking URL, I definitely recommend using 17 track if you guys are drop shipping, because this will automatically detect the carriers and provide the tracking information for any tracking numbers that your customers may have. So go ahead and click save when you guys have all of that set up. Now we're gonna talk about the actual shipping confirmation email so that you guys can edit what's inside of this email and you guys can see what goes out to your customers when their orders are sent. So let's look at that really quickly. To do that, you guys can edit the template by just clicking this little blue button here, and it will take you right back to Shopify. So let's do that really quickly. Okay, so from there, it'll take you to your notification settings on Shopify, and this little section right here, you guys can actually edit the text and the contents of your email or your SMS notifications. So go through here and customize all this text to be branded to your own store to meet your own needs there. You guys can click preview at the top every time you guys add a new thing to see what it looks like. Just make sure it looks clean overall and it's branded to meet your own store. It includes all of the relevant information that you guys need to relay to your customers, like the tracking links, shipping times, any relevant policies. And you guys can even be creative and throw things like upsells on there as well to increase your revenue. So be completely creative, make this unique to your own brand. And let's really quickly look at an example so that you guys know what you guys should be including in your own. Okay, so this is a shipping confirmation email from the brand Chewy. It just says your order's on the way. They have a little shipping animation right there, and then they have the link to track your order with the disclosure, please allow 24 hours before you track your order. So it has all the information, what they ordered, their shipping rate, everything else, and then they include the 1-800 number to call them, their customer service, free shipping, satisfaction guarantee, and their return information. So they literally include everything you need to know about the brand, and they just make it very easy for the customer to resolve any problems that might occur. So make sure to include all of these on your own shipping confirmation emails, and you guys should be good moving forward. You should now have your shipping confirmation email set up and ready to be sent out. If this video helped you out in any way, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Be sure to check out all of our ecom resources in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.